Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can add sound effects to your video in VivaVideo. So all you want to do is click here on effects, go right there and click sound, and you will have this button here, sound effects, and you will have many sound effects here that you can use. You maybe even human steps that you can, or water, battle, and then sword clash. This is like really cool effect. Applause. So many of them. So this is how we can do that. This is how we can use it. Also guys, if this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And write me in the comments what else would you like to learn from mobile editing and VivaVideo and tutorials, and I will make a tutorial on that. So thank you very much everybody. Have a great day and see you in the next video.